Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of the National University of Medical Sciences, NUMS, I warmly welcome you all to today's virtual open day for the Department of Biotechnology. My name is 𝗋𝗄𝐻 from the market, and I am from the marketing department at NUMS. It is my pleasure to be your moderator for today's session. Thank you to all for taking the time to join us. Today's session has been organized to provide you with valuable insights into our MS programs at the Department of Biotechnology, the admissions for which are currently open. During today's webinar, firstly, the Dean of Multidisciplinary Studies, Ms. Aisha Mohyuddin, will give an overview about NUMS, followed by a presentation by the Head of Department, Dr. Aman Kareem, and lastly, the faculty members will explore the different research areas. At the end, we will have a question answer session. I encourage every one of you to stay with us until the very end and post your questions in the comment section. We will try our best to answer as many questions as possible. Without further ado, I would like to invite Dr. Aisha Mohyuddin, Dean, MDS, to begin today's discussion. Over to you, ma'am.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the open day for the Department of Biotechnology at the National University of Medical Sciences. I'd like to start by apologizing for the delay in our program, and we're very sorry for any inconvenience caused to any of the participants in this open house. Unfortunately, there was some kind of technical glitch, which we have now sorted. So everyone, I think, who is applying or thinking to a program rather in biotechnology knows that it's one of the fastest emerging fields of science. And in terms of healthcare, biotechnology is not only being used to get an understanding of disease mechanism, but it's also playing a very important role in diagnostics as well as therapeutics. And it actually provides a very applied sort of solutions to various kind of health and other challenges. The Department of Biotechnology is currently offering 3 master's programs. So we have a master's program in biotechnology, one in nanomedicine, and one in natural product drug discovery. All our programs have been very carefully designed, not only to provide you with a very sound understanding of the advances which are taking place in the field, but also to provide you with a hands-on practical and technical experience that you would require in your careers, be that academia, research, industry, or maybe even if you're able to make a product, you can have a startup. And all of this is being done under the mentorship and guidance of very able and highly qualified faculty. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, various faculty members are going to introduce our various programs to you. And after that, I look forward to interacting with you all and answering any questions that you may have. So I'll hand it over now to Dr. Aman Kareem, who is our HOD in biotechnology. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I welcome you all who are aspiring to join NUMS Department of Biotechnology. As the head of department, I will give an overview about the Department of Biotechnology. You aspire to join, and I hope after going through the presentation overview and then listening to the respective faculty member who are representing the MS programs, I hope you will come to a realization that NUMS is one of the best place for you to continue your master's study with us. So this virtual open day is actually planned to brief you about the MS programs we are going to offer at the Department of Biotechnology. The department's mission is to build a department of biotechnology that's globally competitive in teaching and research, offering high quality support and state-of-the-art facilities and enriching learning and professional experience. Our objectives are to provide world-class education and research training in the field of biotechnology, nanomedicine, and natural product drug discovery. We inspire to our students to think critically and innovate by adopting a multidisciplinary hands-on learning experience. We also have the objective to equip our students with advanced laboratory and computational skills to train them for the modern biosciences. We also take it very carefully by instilling ethical responsibility in our students, including the bioethics and the sensitivity of biotechnology research on the society. We encourage especially our students to take on their ideas and move their ideas and turn it into products and solutions by adopting entrepreneurship. We offer very engaging workshops on the patent filing, commercialization, and on the entrepreneurship from research ideas. We particularly have emphasized on preparing our graduates for meaningful careers by skilling them. Other than the theoretical knowledge, we skill them in the labs to prepare them for various career pathways. If you look at the top 5 reason, you would have to choose Department of Biotechnology for NUMS at NUMS for your master's degree. Then there are few 5 reasons which we lay before you. The first and foremost reason is like if we have the foreign trained faculty member, most of them has PhDs and postdoctoral trainings at the international universities. We offer a collection of research grants available at our departments, and also NUMS offers, and among the very few universities in Pakistan which supports its MS research through a special research fund. Another reason for you to join NUMS Department of Biotechnology is because our research and our learning is focused on health science and it's applied in nature. We provide a very excellent research facility in the form of a newly established National NUMS Institute of Advanced Studies and Research. With that research facility now in place, we also have extensive collaboration nationally, internationally to cater to our students' learning and research. One of the most important things we are currently focusing on is providing a hands-on lab training opportunities for our students by sending them to various training seminars, training workshops, arranging in-house training workshops, and also online training opportunities. The master's program, as Ardeen mentioned, we offer in MS Biotechnology, MS Nanomedicine, and MS Natural Product Drug Discovery. These 3 are uniquely designed futuristic programs where you can go and grow your career in abroad or in Pakistan. The admission requirements, if you go like a requirement of the Higher Education Commission, you must have a 16 years of education in the fields which you will go and explore on our website as well. In the advertisement, most of the bioscience fields are eligible. The fields of health sciences like MBBS and BDS, including pharmaceutical science, these all backgrounds are eligible to apply for the 3 master's program. Besides that, the candidates who have MSc or 2 years MSc or BSc 4 years in chemistry, they are eligible to apply only for the programs like nanomedicine and natural product drug discovery. We have also may have candidates who are actually having a background of BS in traditional and alternative medicine like DAMS and DHMS and other relevant disciplines. They are also encouraged to apply, but only in the MS Natural Product and Drug Discovery. And how you are going to get into NUMS? Well, you have to pass any of these tests with minimum 50% cumulative score. That's either you have to appear in the NUMS entry test, which is on site, on 27th of July, or you can have any of the three nationally conducted exam like HAT and GAT, which has a validity of 2 years. After you pass the test, then NUMS will have its own interview, which is a final selection of your application process. If you want to go, how you're going to apply, our application is very easy. You have just to go to the NUMS website provided in the link, and then open and fill your application form. I'll let you know some of the important dates, like the last date to apply is today is 16 July. 16 July. The test date is 27 July. Interview date will be announced, and the classes will begin by 14 September. Some of the important overview I would like to give regarding our department is exceptionally this single department anywhere in Pakistan which have earned that much of grant, and we are proud to say that we have earned 34 national grants and international grants, which amounts to 79.45 million Pakistani rupees. We have filed 5 patents and 1 trademark also in progress. If you go to the research article, within short period of time, our faculty have published 667 research articles, 16 books have been published by our faculty, and 107 book chapters have so far been published by our faculty members. Related to admission queries, I would encourage you all to go and visit the Department of Biotechnology's website. Also write us on the department's email. And if you have any query related to the admission fee or any other deadlines, you may write to the postgraduate admissions at NUMS and call us on the number given. We have a very active social media platforms to update you on admission and other related developments. So follow us with NUMS official as your handle on the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, where you will have updates about NUMS. With that, thank you from my side, and I'll now hand over this to the program specific faculty. Dr. Naeem will take over.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you all are doing well. I am Dr. Naeem, working as associate professor in the section of nanomedicine and Department of Biotechnology. I am here to just discuss some key points about this program. MS nanomedicine is very emerging and advanced research-based program in the biological science. It has a lot of application in health, like drug delivery system and diagnostics. For example, cancer nanomedicines, nanoantibiotics, nanovaccine, etc. Why this nano size is so important? They are saying that nature loves nano and nano loves bio. What it means, आपने कभी सोचा है these cells, there are so many organelles, they are on nanoscale. For example, ribosomes is 26 nanometer. It is the smartest nanobio machine, a protein factory preparing protein. Similarly, DNA is around 2 nanometer helix, and the delivery guy, hemoglobin, it's also a nano size. So the nature choose nanoscale for the biological working. So that is where the scientists are working, that we can make some biological delivery system on the nanoscale. One of the best example, you all know that COVID-19, a disaster, a pandemic, so many people died, and there was no therapy. Like, finally, one of the vaccine, Moderna, it was on the nanoscale, on lipid nanomedicine. Of course, it was multidisciplinary approach, but the final product was on the nano base. So it's very interesting field. And then why NUMS? The NUMS, this program is internationally offered, like Europe, USA, etc. But NUMS is the only university in Pakistan offering this program since 2023, and this will be our third wave. We have very advanced labs equipped with the advanced labs, and we have other facilities like animal labs and the another thing, we have very multidisciplinary faculty under one floor. We have faculty from microbiology, biotechnology, genetics, and the beauty of this multidisciplinary under one floor, we can collaborate with each other because in research, nothing can exist alone. We need collaboration. And we have also specialized faculty in nanomedicine. They worked in the South Korea, US, and other countries. Currently, we have different research area and specialization. For example, colon delivery or for the colon cancer, similarly hepatocellular carcinoma, and for the skin delivery system. You may also bring your idea. We can polish them and we can and work them. And there's some funded research arts ongoing. After completing this degree, so there's some career pathway. We can polish your skills and then you can go for your research for PhD and similarly you can join pharmaceutical industries. You can be the part of clinical trials and some other regulatory authority. Some of our students who work in nanomedicine lab currently, one of them is in Australia and very prestigious scholarship. My own student is with my supervisor in South Korea doing PhD. So who can apply for this interesting program? Students from the biological sciences background, from the pharmaceuticals, from the biochemistry. So we can welcome them all to join this very interesting field only offered by NUMS in Pakistan. So if you have any queries, I'm here to answer you. Even after this session, I will be available to answer your queries. Thank you. And now I request Dr. Shumaila to talk about MS Biotechnology, please.
Thank you so much, Dr. Naeem. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am Dr. 𝗂𝗠𝗦, Associate Professor of Biotechnology. आज के कॉम्पिटेटिव साइंटिफिक दौर में MS बायोटेक्नोलॉजी सिर्फ एक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री प्रोग्राम नहीं है, बल्कि एडवांस नॉलेज, रिसर्च और डाइवर्स कैरियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की तरफ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप है. तो अगर आप बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और रिसर्च में अपना कैरियर बनाना चाहते हैं, then NUMS MS बायोटेक्नोलॉजी प्रोग्राम इज द बेस्ट चॉइस.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Wasim Safdar, Associate Professor, Department of Biotechnology, NUMS. NUMS एक रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड यूनिवर्सिटी है और इस यूनिवर्सिटी में हम स्टूडेंट्स को ना सिर्फ लेटेस्ट थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज देते हैं बल्कि एडवांस प्रैक्टिकल रिसर्च बेस्ड स्किल्स भी की ट्रेनिंग्स भी देते हैं. Most of the faculty members in NUMS are foreign graduates and they are highly experienced and they are working in different fields of animal biotechnology, plant biotechnology, food biotechnology, microbial biotechnology, genetic engineering, and biosensor and vaccine. So NUMS also encourage their students to participate in different national and international level conferences and workshops, and also publish international level publications. So if you have completed your after completing your MS biotechnology, you can join multiple career pathways in multiple disciplines such as
ग्रेजुएट पीएचडी करने के बाद पीएचडी फर्दर परस्यू कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज और रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट में एज अ रिसर्च एसोसिएट या साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर्स के तौर पे काम कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा डिफरेंट डायग्नोस्टिक लेबॉर्ट्रीज या क्वालिटी कंट्रोल लेबॉर्ट्रीज में या डिफरेंट फार्मास्यूटिकल या हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर में वो अपना कैरियर बिल्ड कर सकते हैं. हमारे एलुमनाई आज डिफरेंट इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज में एज अ पीएचडी अपना परस्यू किए हुए हैं और या डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स में अपना कैरियर सक्सेसफुली उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. सो इफ यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट साइंस देन दिस प्रोग्राम इज डेफिनेटली वर्थ कंसिडरिंग. You are welcome to become part of NUMS family. अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है तो हमसे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर पूछिए. Thank you so much. Now I would like to hand over to Dr. Nosheen.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to everyone. This is Dr. Nosheen, Associate Professor of Natural Product Drug Discovery from the Department of Biotechnology. And it's my pleasure to introduce you with our new MS Master's Program in Natural Product Drug Discovery. It is actually a specialized professional degree program designed for the students who want to build their careers in research, innovation, in different industries, including pharmaceutical, cosmeceuticals, nutraceuticals, and herbal industries, and as well as education sector. आप सब लोग ड्रग के नाम से अच्छी तरह वाकिफ होंगे because these are the main agents in for against the therapy of different diseases. But do you know that more than 50% of drugs जो हम use करते हैं, these are actually extracted from the natural resources, which include plants, animals, microorganisms, and many other resources. Globally, trillions of dollars जो pharmaceutical companies है वो invest करती हैं for the drug development, for the drug discovery and development. और इसमें से almost $250 billion जो है वो invest होते हैं to the herbal industries, because these are more both curative and have the preventive power as well. तो अगर हम पाकिस्तान के रेफरेंस से बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव द ग्रेट एसेट ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. अगर इनको एफिशिएंटली यूज किया जाए, दे कैन एफिशिएंटली कंट्रीब्यूट टू द मॉडर्न हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम ऑब्वियसली, एंड कैन बूस्ट द पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमी. तो इस सारे सिनेरियो को सामने रखते हुए दिस स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रोफेशनल स्किल बेस्ड डिग्री प्रोग्राम हैज बीन डिजाइन, जो कि ना सिर्फ ड्रग डिस्कवरी एक्सपर्ट्स की डिमांड को फुलफिल करेगा, बट इट विल आल्सो लीड टू द ओपनिंग ऑफ न्यू वेंचर्स फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. और अगर हम करिकुलम की बात करें तो जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि दिस इज स्किल बेस्ड प्रोग्राम, सो वी हैव डिजाइंड आवर करिकुलम इन दिस वे, इन जिसमें हमारा जो कोर्स वर्क है दैट इज नॉट ओनली प्रैक्टिकल, बट वी हैव इंक्लूडेड द प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस इन आवर courses. And if I talk about the 1 year research work, which is our great asset obviously, and which is our strength. So our student will work in state of art laboratories equipped with modern analytical and obviously work under the supervision of experienced faculty. हमारे जो faculty members हैं वो obviously highly experienced हैं और foreign qualified हैं, and they are working in different domains, starting from the discovery to the pharmacological investigation of the drug. And obviously you can work in different domain, you can work in their projects. Obviously you will मतलब आपको वो fund करेंगे, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ we have NUMS support fund for our research students of 1 lakh, जो कि थ्रू आउट जो रिसर्च ग्रांट है उसको सपोर्ट करेगा. कैरियर पाथवेज ऑब्वियसली विच इज ऑफ योर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. So nature product drug discovery is a highly demanding field and is growing day by day, and की डिमांड जो है both national भी है और international level पे भी है. Our graduates will develop their careers as a drug discovery scientist, pharmaceutical scientist, herbal product development scientists, research associates, and university faculty members, and obviously many more based on your strength as well. And alumni की बात करूँ तो we have already trained our students in the field, or they are working efficiently in the pharmaceutical industries, and one of our students have built their own pharmaceutical industry और उसने register कराई है और माशाल्लाह he has successful career. So if you are passionate about research innovation and want to develop the medicines for tomorrow, this special master's degree program in nature product drug discovery is an ideal choice for you. I warmly welcome you to become the part of our community and start your research journey with us. And thank you so much for joining today's virtual session. Now the floor is open for the question answers, and if you have any questions, please drop in the chat box, and we will happy to answer your all queries. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the detailed intro of your department and the research initiative available for the students. We have received multiple questions via comments and messengers. I will ask one by one each question. So the first question is from Misbah Hamid. Will there be any scholarship for students who had been graduated from NUMS?
जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिसबा. Currently, PG level pe, we don't have any formal sort of scholarships. However, some of our students are working as research assistants or research associates in our research grants. उसके अलावा obviously scholarships के ऊपर हम काम करें, लेकिन currently unfortunately we're not offering any scholarships to our PG students.
Second question is from Hamid. Does university provide the facility of hostel, or we have signed any MOU with any hostel facility?
हाँ जी. So just to introduce, हमारे currently 2 campuses हैं. We have a campus on Park Road, Islamabad, as well as a campus in Rawalpindi. Currently जो scenario चल रहा है उसमें जो आपका पहले 2 semesters हैं, they'll be on Park Road. Park Road पे हमारे campus के opposite actually hostel city है. उस hostel city में हमारे agreements हैं 5-6 hostels के साथ. And हमारे currently भी I think about 200 or so kind of vetted hostels which have been vetted for security and for appropriateness. वहाँ पे हमारे students रह रहे हैं. So currently NUMS does not have its own hostel, but we have been talking to private hostels and those will be available to you.
Thank you, ma'am. We have another question from Ms. Amina Ibrar. Does NUMS have collaborations with international universities for research projects or exchange programs?
हाँ जी, हमारी बहुत सी फैकल्टी की हमारे कुछ फॉर्मल एग्रीमेंट्स भी हैं कुछ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के साथ, जिसमें क्वीन मेरी भी है, मलेशिया में 1-2 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, चाइना, कोरिया एंड सो ऑन. उसके अलावा हमारी फैकल्टी की अपनी रिलेशनशिप्स भी हैं विद डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़. So yes, we have MOUs, and I'm pleased to say that I think हमारे nanomedicine में one of our students went to Taiwan for a few months for training sent there by his supervisor, and microbiology में as well. So we do, and I think a lot of our faculty works very hard to find placements and international training opportunities for our students, and some of our students have availed these as well.
Thank you, ma'am. We have another question from Noor Fatma. She's asking, okay, will both theoretical and research work will be held in NIAS, this campus or Parkwood campus?
जी बेटा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. करंटली जो स्टेटस है वो ये है कि हमारा जो कोर्स वर्क है is currently situated on Parkwood, and after the 3rd semester you come to Pindi. Pindi में हमारी multidisciplinary labs हैं जहाँ पे काम होता है. This situation may change. It's something we're working on, and in that case our students may be situated in Rawalpindi for the whole 2 years. लेकिन currently ये है कि current status because is 1 year in Islamabad and 1 year in Rawalpindi.
Okay, ma'am. We have another question from Anwar Ali. Can we apply without transcript or end degree if they are studying in bachelor's final year and they are, I think, giving the final semester? So mostly students ask this question: result awaiting candidate can apply for the masters?
हाँ जी, तो अभी currently आप लोग apply कर सकते हैं, and what you should do is apply with your transcript and your CGPA for your 7th semester. तो उसके लिए आप लोग apply कर सकते हैं on that basis. However, before joining NUMS, like our program starts on the 14th, and I think our interviews on the 27th of July. उससे पहले merit calculation के लिए we would be requiring your final transcript. However, at this point in time, you can apply on the basis of your 7th semester result.
Okay, we are receiving multiple questions live, so I'm taking one by one each, and I will try to cover most questions, inshallah. So one question is from Zubia Kram. Can we shift from biotechnology to nano?
Beta, my question would then be is why are you not directly applying to nano? तो अभी I think होता ही है कि हमारे students को choice दी जाती है, और जब वो apply करते हैं तो वो simultaneously 2 या 3 programs में apply करते हैं. I'm assuming कि आपने biotechnology के लिए apply किया है और nano के लिए apply नहीं किया शायद. However, yes, if you wish to change to nanomedicine, that is something जो हम accommodate करते हैं depending on the availability of seats.
So one question is from Iman. She is asking publication charges covered if research is accepted in any research journal during the degree MS.
जी. NUMS has a policy of research support, so depending on the journal which you publish. So if it is an impact factor W category journal, NUMS provides up to $750 US for publication. मैं इधर ये जरूर कहूँगी कि अपने students को कि publication fee की जो फिक्र है वो आपकी नहीं है, वो आपके supervisor की है. तो आप देखेंगे कि हमारे सारे मास्टर्स के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कंपलसरी है टू गेट वन पब्लिकेशन फ्रॉम देयर टू सबमिट पब्लिकेशन फ्रॉम देयर मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम. And most of our master's students have W category impact factor publications. Like I said, ये आपने publication charges की फिक्र नहीं करनी, ये आपके supervisor का काम है.
Ma'am, one question is from 𝗓𝗏. Can the master students enrolled in NUMS apply for a research assistant post in NUMS?
On the availability of a research assistant position. So yes, but the research assistant की positions जो होती हैं वो grants के साथ आती हैं. तो अगर availability हुई तो आप apply कर सकते हैं, but it's not something that is guaranteed.
One question is from Talat. How long is MPhil degree in NUMS? It's 2 years or
2 years, 4 semesters. Ideally हम कोशिश करते हैं 4 semesters में खत्म कर लें. Maximum you can go up to is 4 years, लेकिन mostly 2 साल में खत्म कर लेते हैं.
Zarish का question, can I apply without HAT in MS? But HAT test university का अपना test किया? Yes, we
हाँ
have.
जी जी जी. तो आपके पास several choices हैं. Dr. Aman, maybe you want to take this?
Yeah, if you have like HAT, you can directly apply. But if you don't have, then you will have to apply to the NUMS on-site test, which will be conducted at our Park Road campus. It's on-site, so you have the choice. You can avail our NUMS entrance test also.
So
बेटा GRE है, GAT and HAT. So we have listed 4 tests that you can apply in. So any one of those, if you have above 50%, then you would be eligible for the interview. And interview के बाद फिर हमारी merit list बनती है. तो अगर आपने HAT नहीं दिया तो आप NUMS का भी टेस्ट दे सकते हैं, GAT भी दे सकते हैं या GRE भी दे सकते हैं.
how many publications requirement for an MPhil student?
There is no publication requirement.
No, it's not.
नहीं, I mean to apply, ऐसा
No,
क्या है?
for the completion of the MPhil.
Just one needs to be submitted.
Haji Nadeem Zafar, can I do MPhil of reproductive biotechnology? I am DVM with 𝐶G We do also?
We can biotechnology में I'd have to say कि I would we don't actually have the facility for large animal research. So I think it basically depends on what this gentleman is interested in. Reproductive biotechnology की तो जा सकती है, लेकिन it depends on the scale of what he has in mind.
Okay, Anwar ka question he has, the question he asked for the HAT. If we score less than 15 HAT, can we apply? Yes, we have test.
Yeah. If you have not qualified HAT, then NUMS test is entry test is there, so you can apply.
Iman ka question, if research project fails, can the student switch the topic or change the supervisor without delaying?
Without delaying, yes. I mean, अभी तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं है कि किसी का research topic fail हुआ हो. I'm not entirely sure, but yes, if there is a valid reason for you to want to switch either your research topic or your research supervisor, तो we accommodate that. उसमें कोई मसला नहीं होना चाहिए.
So we are receiving other comments like excellent initiative by the faculty, and someone is wishing us good luck for the great initiative. Same other. Do we offer BS radiology in NUMS? I think.
हाँ जी, NUMS से affiliate है हमारा Armed Forces Institute of Radiology and Imaging. तो वहाँ पे BS in radiology and imaging offer होता है, medical imaging technology.
Yeah. One question is for the scholarship, sir/ma'am. Any scholarship for the master's program, need-based scholarship, any guidance or any research available fundings for the students?
Need-based scholarship जो है ना वो basically HEC देता है, वो सिर्फ UG students को देते हैं, वो PG students के लिए नहीं होता. A few of our students are being supported by different scholarships, which are sort of more of an informal support. We are working on our endowment and working on a scholarship program for our students. तो अभी I will not promise anybody a scholarship. जहाँ तक रही बात research support की, तो I think NUMS is unique in that every student, once their synopsis has been approved, everybody gets 100,000 rupees for their research. So उनके जो consumables और chemicals होते हैं, उसमें 100,000 rupees इनको मिलता है. And उसके अलावा obviously हमारे nearly सारी faculty के पास अपनी research grants भी हैं. So a lot of the support in terms of consumables and chemicals comes also from the university, from our faculty research grants.
Okay, ma'am. Another question is from Bilal. He's asking about the MS program. Is a weekday program or a weekend program?
Assalamu alaikum, Bilal. This is a weekday program. तो इसमें कोशिश हमारी ये है कि हम minimum time आपका लें. 2 दिन में अगर, again, no promises, but we try to accommodate our students कि if they have jobs, that we make our timetables such कि आपके 2 दिन में आपका coursework complete हो, or या theoretical, and you can have some time off in case you are having a job.
One is question is from Shanzi. She's asking, there are multiple universities that are offering same degree programs. So why NUMS? Why student choose NUMS?
I think from my point of view, NUMS का जो unique एक चीज है, वो है हमारी multidisciplinary labs. हमारे we have this newly established NUMS Institute for Advanced Studies and Research, and we have about 20,000 square feet of lab space. We are currently developing another 30,000 square feet of lab space. यहाँ पे हमारी कोई lab या कोई equipment किसी department या किसी professor का नहीं है. All our equipment, like I said, we function in a truly multidisciplinary environment, and our labs are open to all students. So they can use any equipment that they want. They can work with any faculty that they want. सब कुछ हमारा is done as a team effort. बहुत सी यूनिवर्सिटियों में ये होता है कि एक इक्विपमेंट होता है, वो एक डिपार्टमेंट का होता है या एक सुपरवाइजर का होता है, उसका एक्सेस दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं मिलता. हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये मसला नहीं है. आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ आवर यूनिक थिंग्स. हमारी फैकल्टी माशाल्लाह very qualified and dedicated, and provide true mentorship to our students. And thirdly, like I said, we give all our master students 100,000 rupees for their research work. So I think all of this has translated, and I mean, I would be happy to maybe have a session where students can talk to our alumni. And what you will see is that our average pay master student actually leaves after his master's, average pay 2 या 3 इनकी W category international publications होती हैं. इनकी trainings हुई होती हैं, and mashallah, a lot of them have had scholarships, and they're doing well. I think किसी भी department की जो success होती है, वो उसके alumni से पता चलती है. And possibly I would maybe we can interact, or you can interact with our alumni and see how our students are doing.
That's great, ma'am. Thank you. So one question is from Amina again. Okay, are students offer training in entrepreneurship? If so, how?
Entrepreneurship में आपकी यहाँ पे training definitely होती है. So I think हमारा coursework में it is built in. There is a course for entrepreneurship which is offered. उसके अलावा we have a very active ORIC. ORIC also provides training, intellectual property rights, patent writing. इस किस्म की चीज़ों के आप लोगों की workshops भी होती हैं. So that's basically how we encourage entrepreneurship at our university.
Does NUMS offer job at the MS completion after completing degree from the same institute? They offer job?
Some of our students have joined as managers. एक दो हमारे students हैं, वो हमारे lab technicians and lab technologists के तौर पे काम कर रहे हैं. 2-3 different departments में as assistant managers काम कर रहे हैं. But I will say that this is not something that is guaranteed. So we offer jobs all the time. Our students are welcome to apply for that, and if they're found suitable, they are selected.
So one more question is from Ubaid. Does NUMS assist students with internships and job placement in other institutes, not if not NUMS?
Job placements में, like I said, हमारे बहुत सी students, maybe if not formal, हमारे faculty provides guidance and mentorship to all our students, and they try to find them placements. तो वो हम करते हैं. Internships, obviously हमारा एक active department of student affairs भी है, जो जिसका काम थोड़ी बहुत job placements, internship placements, they're involved in that as well. So that's a very active department as well for our student support.
Thank you, ma'am. One question is from Irfan. Is there any age limit for the admissions plus fee structure of your MS degree program?
हमारे यहाँ कोई age limit नहीं है. So we have one of our students is, I think, in his 50s. He is mashallah doing very well. He actually joined our natural product drug discovery program. So ये हमारे basically ये हकीम साहब थे हैं. And he wanted to learn. हमारी हिकमत में एक चीज है कि one reason some people don't want to follow it is because the scientific methodology has not been applied to it. ये हमारा natural product drug discovery का जो program है, उसका the whole point was कि एक scientific basis provide किया जाए to our natural product and herbal product industry. And so one of our students, he wanted to learn that. So he's in his 50s, and I think he will be submitting his thesis soon. So we don't have an age limit. I'll ask you to talk about the.
Yeah, our fee structures are like in the first, when you get admission, you will have to pay 1,30,000. But then after that, each semester you will have around 1 lakh rupees per semester fee, which is a minimal charged everywhere in Pakistan also. Probably we are, compared to the quality of education we provide, this is a very minimal fee we charge actually.
Okay, one question is from Tosif Abid, and I think we'll take one more question and we'll conclude. Is there any semester or training exchange program or international collaborations in other countries like UK, USA, or Europe for skill development? And how many students can avail this kind of stuff?
जैसे मैंने कहा कि this is not necessarily something that is guaranteed. Opportunities arise, and we encourage our students and we facilitate our students to apply and to go abroad for training in various aspects. हमारे different institutions के साथ MOUs भी हैं, collaborations भी हैं, and उसकी basis पे we do try to send our students to abroad for training and so on. लेकिन थोड़ा सा ये होना चाहिए कि students need to understand that a lot of this depends on how they have performed and so on. कुछ चीजें होती हैं बेटा जो कि guaranteed नहीं होती. So a lot of it depends on what is available at any given time and what your performance is while you are here at NUMS.
Okay, ma'am. So one question is from Ali. He is asking that on-spot registration available for the students if he or she cannot apply online. On-spot registration.
On-spot registration, I think उनको फिर यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा और हमारे admissions के department में आके मिले, and they will facilitate in whatever way they can.
Okay. So Seif ने उसी में add किया है, as I have seen in your ACA program, which was collaboration with Qatar and Finland.
जी जी.
So yes, there are opportunities as to discuss.
हाँ जी, like I said, that was a skill-based program which was offered by Finland. So like I said, opportunities arise. लेकिन मैं कोई झूठे वादे नहीं करना चाह रही, कोई guarantees नहीं देती. That was a skill-based program offered by Finland. This is obviously a different category of program. So if you वो थोड़ा सा we won't promise any such thing. We will facilitate and we make sure कि जो भी अगर ऐसी opportunities हों कि our students can avail that.
This must be the last question. Why your fee structure is too high to accommodate to less students?
बेटा देखिए, fee structure, if you were to actually look at the look at the facilities and you look at the highly qualified faculty that is present, तो फिर मैं कहूँगी कि फी स्ट्रक्चर इतना नहीं है। 1 लाख रुपया तो हम स्टूडेंट की रिसर्च में लगा देते हैं, ठीक है ना? तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे if you look at our fee structure and you look at our private schools, केजी का बच्चा 30,000 40,000 रुपए महीने देता है. I'm talking about private schools, of course, and a lot of people send students over there, so their kids over there. तो अगर आप actually आके हमारी lab facilities देखें, हमारे faculty देखें, तो ये इतना महंगा नहीं है. I understand कि आजकल बहुत से लोगों के financial constraints हैं, लेकिन unfortunately research degrees जो होती हैं, they are not cheap because they require a lot of investment. So I mean, it's unfortunate. I would love to be able to provide scholarships and to with government support or so reduce our fee. But as it stands, हमारी fee structure is very, very for money. Dr. Naeem, please feel free to.
We also offer an installment, but not in the first semester. Second installment में second semester से तो जो बच्चे होते हैं, so they can submit application और उनको installment में भी I think 3 installment में भी मेरे भी एक student ने avail किया था last semester में, so वो फिर I think कम amount बनते हैं.
So one last question, and after that I will conclude this webinar. How many seats are there for the masters in nanomedicine?
We've got 15 seats. Limited and 15 है, so हमारे सारे masters में 15 की seats हैं.
ठीक है. So admissions are open and last date to apply is 16 July 2026 and the test date is
It's already extended. पहले था 9, so I don't think so दोबारा extend होगा. So this may be the last chance.
So 16 July our admissions will close.
You can visit our website to apply online, and if you face any query or any issue, you just comment and our marketing team will reply and our admission department will solve your issues. Thank you very much for the asking multiple questions, and we try our best to take each and every question you have asked. So over to you, Mr.
Thank you for conducting such an insightful question answer session, Sir Usman. So with that, I would like insightful session. I hope you got the value out of it, and we are available even after the session, and we will cater to all of the queries that you may have, and we'll answer you in the comments section as well. And you can always reach out to us at the email and the numbers provided in the caption. So I hope to see you at NUMS, and I would urge you to join NUMS because we have exceptional faculty and facilities available for you to conduct your research here and go on to explore further opportunities, be it placements or jobs. So I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you soon at NUMS. Thank you.